A convex mirror of focal length f forms an image which is 1 by n times the object. The distance of the object from the mirror is. So in the question, focal length is equal to f, which is positive. Why? Convex mirror, that means mirror is like this. This is the reflecting surface. So this is our convex mirror, right? Now they are saying that image is 1 upon n times of the object. Size of image, let's say hi, is equal to 1 upon n times of the object, right? Of the object, that means ho. We know that magnification is hi upon ho, which will be is equal to hi is 1 upon n times of ho upon ho. So this is going to be 1 upon n simply. And we know that magnification is equal to minus v upon u for mirrors. So we can have a relation between u and v, that v is equal to minus u by n, right? Now they are asking the distance of the object from the mirror. Yeah, so it's better to have v with u. Now we can apply mirror formula, which is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So we got the values. Let me put the values to find out u. So let us remove all this. So 1 upon f, which will be 1 upon f, is equal to 1 upon u, v is equal to minus u by n plus 1 upon u itself. So this will be minus n by u plus 1 upon u. U is in LCM, so this will be 1 minus n, which is 1 upon f itself, right? So from there I want to calculate the value of f. So f is equal to reciprocal. So f will be is equal to u upon 1 minus n, or u can be find out, that is going to be f into 1 minus n, right? So this is the value of u. So let us take negative outside, so this will be n minus 1. We should remember that distance from the mirror will be negative, so u will be negative. So that means this distance they are asking, which distance? OP. So the distance OP is going to be f into n minus 1. Because of this sign convention, this minus sign was coming. Okay, so option number 1 has to be the right choice. Okay.